Hello everyone. We are going to talk about bucket drums today. Now this is something that you can do at your house because I'm pretty sure everybody should at least have something that they could turn into a drum. Now in our classroom we do have regular drums, but for the sake of this lesson we're going to be using what I call bucket drums. Bucket drums are real easy to make. First of all, what you need is a bucket. You can get these anywhere. If you don't have a bucket at home, you could get them at Tractor Supply, Walmart, Target, whatever. Now, if you don't have a bucket, you can use like a larger can or like an empty garbage can. Empty garbage can. I don't want any parents calling and saying that their kid's dumping garbage in the house, right? So you can use pots and pans. Parents, I am sorry if you're watching this. It's gonna be noisy in your house. But what you're gonna do with that bucket or the pot or the pan or whatever you're using is you turn it upside down. So the bottom is now up, okay? Typically I set it on the floor, but so you can see it in the video, I'm going to just kind of hold it in between my legs, all right? Now, in class, we use drumsticks. Drumsticks are perfect if you need them. There are lots of music stores around Nashville. I believe the bookstore across from the courthouse in Ashland City has them. But if you want to save some money for your parents, you can use pencils unsharpened, and I would turn them backwards and use the eraser end. Or I grabbed a couple of pens, and you could use the pens, and it'll work fine. You can even use wooden spoons. I even thought if you go to a Chinese restaurant or ever eat Chinese food and you use chopsticks, you can use chopsticks as drumsticks. But whenever you hold the sticks, you hold them like this. Your thumb on the sides and your fingers wrapped around, and you want them to be kind of bouncy. You don't want them to be tight. You want them to kind of bounce in your hand a little bit. And then whenever you go to play it, that's all you do. And like I said, if you do not have drumsticks or don't have access, pens, pencils, like I said, pencils, make sure you use unsharpened. Hear the difference in sound? Definitely not going to be as loud, which your parents will probably like. But you can use pens, pencils, markers, as I said before, chopsticks. Just make sure it's nothing sharp, okay? Nothing that can poke you or anybody else. And preferably something that's not going to break too easily, because you don't want to be hitting the drums really hard and break something. All right? So I will make another video with rhythms for you to practice and echo me on. But until then, find what you need to make the drums. Like I said, you can use a bucket, you can use pots or pans, you can use Tupperware bowls, like I said, small empty garbage cans. Again, emphasis on empty. You don't want to use any with garbage in it. Maybe even like old butter tubs or something, which, butter dishes that you buy butter in at the store, okay? If your parents have any questions about this, they can email me. And best of luck. Thank you.